Good afternoon, everyone. Today we have Vivek, Dheeraj, Deepak, and Suraj have joined for the group discussion on the topic lessons for the world from COVID-19 pandemic. Let me clear that my voice is audible to you clearly. Vivek, my voice is audible clearly.
Yes.
Yes, okay, thank you. Yes. So today's topic of discussion is lessons for the world from the COVID-19 pandemic. So there is an outbreak of COVID-19 in the last year. Our schools and colleges were shut down from the March 2020, and it resumed for several months in 2021 January. And again, due to the phase two, our colleges, schools were still shut down. So, as this is the pandemic, so we have the world have learned a lot of lessons from the pandemic. Uh, Even an individual person learn the lessons. Even the countries learn the lesson. Institutions such as hospital industry, etc. learn the lesson from the pandemic. I want to say that this is not the first pandemic and this is not the last pandemic. Pandemic comes before this, and also in future the pandemic will come. So I'm going to cite some lessons that we people and countries have learned with this pandemic. So the first thing is that is the transparency with other countries. Since we know that in December 2019 there is an outbreak of some disease. At that time the name of the disease were not known. So it was something like that anemia in Wuhan of China. In the month of December 2020 or last December 2020. So what happens at that time? They didn't recognize about the disease, and when in January, when the World Health Organization came to know about this disease, this communicable disease, then even there is not so much informations where there was not so much informations were available for the rest of the countries. And so this is the first thing that means there should be transparency with the other countries that what we are doing, what is the scenario. We should we another country should aware the scenario, because we are living in the era of the globalization where people used to travel rapidly from one place to another place. Second thing is that we are damaging our environment. According to the Paris Agreement 2015, we have to limit the temperature rise of the world within 2 degrees Celsius. So around 6 years past, it is the agreement in 2015, but now we are in 2021. So almost 6 years have passed, but we have not done so for the climate change according to the Paris Climate Agreement. So when the lockdowns happen, industries were shut down. There was very few cars, few buses, few trains on the roads. Few transportation systems were working, and the whole nations were in their house, in their villages. So what happens? The air get cleaner. The air quality index decreases, and we started fresh breathing. So what we are damaging to our environment, when we come together, we can cope up such type of situation. So what damage we are doing to the environment can be reversible by such type of scenario. So many of the environmentalists argue that in future we have to make similar lockdown for the to cope up with the climate change. You must have heard the news about in the news of Beijing, China, where the pollution level pollution level rises so far that the schools, colleges were shut down for 2 or 3 days. There is a circulars were given by the government uh, that the citizens should shut their windows so that the polluted airs can't enter their house. So in future, similar types of lockdown will be happen to cope up with the climate change. The third point is excessive consumerism, means उपभोक्तावाद. What we have learned in our social science of school, that right now we are purchasing, our requirement become more and more. Even we used to wear many types of clothes. For one party we used to purchase one cloth, for another party we used to purchase another set of clothes. Even we used to travel, such as we used to travel very short distance by bike or by car, which is not good for our environment. So what happens during the lockdown? Just after the lockdown, people living with minimum resources. So means we can live simply, we in a better manner. We don't need to consume so much resource. So it is also related to our environment. Okay. So the fourth point is uh, the COVID pandemic exposed our healthcare system. COVID pandemic exposed our healthcare system in uh, phase 2 of COVID-19 outbreak in India. Our health system were completely disrupted, we can say. So what happens? There is a a need to rebuild our healthcare infrastructure in rural area as well as in urban areas. So in rural areas there is very less health infrastructure, whereas in urban areas we have seen the news of the Delhis, of the Lucknow and the south states, that how peoples were struggling uh, for the oxygen, for the bed, etc. And uh, and the one more thing that we have learned is that, yes, uh, to yes, as during the COVID pandemic we see that, yes, during the COVID pandemic we see that the person who are diabetic, the person who have diabetic, means diabetic persons are more prone to suffers from COVID-19, or the persons who have some severe diseases have more problem with the COVID-19 diseases, COVID-19. So we should remain healthy, we should boost our immunity, so that as I said earlier, that this is not the first pandemic, this is not the last pandemic. In future another type of pandemic will come sure. So we, if we will remain healthy, if our immunity level will be good, so good, then these types of disease will harm little bit less. So we should remain healthy in order to cope up this type of problem in future. Fourth one is self-reliant, self-sufficiency. So in during the COVID pandemic, what happens? The people started to living in their homes. The vegetables, their supply chains were disrupted. The peoples were even suffering to buy the vegetables. Suppose if I grew the homegrown, if I grow vegetables in my home, in a rooftop garden, then I will able to means uh, if we grow vegetables on my roof, then I will consume that vegetables and I don't need to buy the vegetables from the outside. So we should be self-reliant. This is the just one example. There are also a lots of example for the self-reliant. Another thing is work from home cultures. Before the pandemic, there is a problem with the work from home culture, but due to the pandemic, the work from home culture started. Even the Google or something, I don't know, some big multinational companies, they started that their 25% of the employee will work from home. So the COVID pandemic gives you can say gift of work from home, online education, etc. But there is a problem is a digital divide. As we have done group discussion on the topic rural uh, online education, so there is a digital divide between rural area and the urban area. Means what happens in urban area, we have we can say that there is a good internet penetration, while in rural area there is only 25% internet penetration. So this is and another type of inequality rises in our society, which we have to cope up. And the last I want to say that we should eat healthy so that we will remain healthy. We should eat some hygienic food so that we will remain healthy. And in future, if these types of pandemic will come, we will fight the pandemic in a better manner. There are also lots of points. So, but I think I crossed the time limit. We have another participant. So that's all from my side. So Vivek, please proceed with your opinion.
Thank you, Mangalam ji. Thank you, Mangalam ji. Thank you, Mangalam ji, giving me a glad opportunity to discuss about my friend. Topic is lessons for the world from COVID-19 pandemic. We know that COVID-19 is very dangerous to everyone and in the world, because they are affected everyone in very big manner, because they are destroyed the growth rate of GDP of all over world. This is a very badful feedback of COVID-19. COVID-19 means COVID-19 full form is CO means COVID, Corona, VI means virus, or D say disease, and 90 means they are come in 2019. Therefore, this is called COVID-19. COVID-19. They are come in first time in Wuhan Shahar in this December 2020. On Wuhan Shahar is spread the all over world, because every person of the world, they are present in the China, or they are adopt this coronavirus that place, and they are going to every country and spread everyone. They are the very big blunder to anyone, very big blunder mistake to that type of people, which problem created to in every country and every world. Coronavirus is a I can say this is a disease, but not a disease. This is a pandemic, because they are pandemic. What is pandemic? Pandemic means they are survive not a disease type. They are survive in lots of time, and they are affected to many people and many big level. This is called the disease. Coronavirus, many in this time, coronavirus type of lots of type come in the world, like as a alpha, beta, gamma, delta plus, delta. They are the lots of type present in the world, in which delta is very effective. They are first time see in the England. Is most effective. Delta plus is the most effective than delta, because in this time in India, delta variant is upcoming, and they are affected first time in Bhopal. Approx 5 people first time 5 people to Delta variant, Delta variant. First time Delta variant is rising up, and first time uh, 5 people is affected to Delta variant, and 1 people to die in Bhopal first time. And at that time, in approx 12 state is adopted this variant. That this is a very bad food, because they are in this time the third variant is coming in India, coming in India. They are very effective, and in this time, all government are uh, carefully, hospital facility are increases all state, all 28 states to carefully facing this problem to destroy all problem, this and they are and they are the thank you, Mangamji, all that my side, and after coming time I can conclude.
Yes, thank you, Vivek, for your wonderful point. You have highlighted about the COVID-19 outbreak, but our topic is what we have learned lesson from the COVID-19 outbreak. So I will come again you later if time will permit. So Suraj, if you are comfortable, then please go ahead with your opinion. After Suraj, Dheeraj will speak. Suraj, you are muted. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, Maglamji, I'm audible.
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Yes, Maglamji, thank you, Maglamji, giving me opportunities to discuss about lessons for the world from COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 pandemic spread from China, Wuhan lab. Firstly, in this world, only one country firstly seen COVID-19 COVID patient in China. Then after COVID disease spread all over the world, and so many steps we have learned from COVID-19 pandemic. Number one, first, online education. Online education is far better than offline education during pandemic. We have saved so much money in online education. And number second, work from home culture. Work from home culture is a strong steps during pandemic like situation. Number third, remain healthy. You have to healthy during pandemic, and when disease when something like disease when came in all over the world, we have to remain healthy. Number four, mask is useful tools. All Indians and all over the world, we have seen that before COVID-19 pandemic, no one can wear mask. All students are also know. We have seen that during COVID-19, all our world, all our world have wear mask. After COVID-19 pandemic, we can treat it as a useful steps from COVID-19 pandemic. Number six, vaccine are useful tools. Vaccine are the strongest steps for we have learned from COVID-19 pandemic. You have to work on a research field Then after we can see a vaccine will then after we can see vaccine make a very short time, a very short time, and you can see that minimum number of loss in all over the world. Number 6. Number 7, capacity of resilience. What is capacity of resilience? We have to good in capacity of resilience. Resilience means लचीलाता, means you have to, मतलब आपको लचीलाता मतलब एक नॉर्मल वे में रहना पड़ेगा. What are the steps given by the government during pandemic? We have to follow that steps during pandemic. Everybody have every problems in all over the world. Every family have every problems, but we have to live in resilience. And number 9 is community is essential, and technology is also. समाज में एकजुटता रहना जरूरी है. We have to come from this pandemic when the community is good. We have to do good steps what are the given by the government. Sometimes you need to dose of humility, विनम्रता होना जरूरी है during pandemic. यदि हम लोग विनम्र नहीं रहेंगे कोविड-19 पेंडेमिक के दौरान, इस तरह का कोई भी पेंडेमिक आए फ्यूचर में, यदि हम लोग विनम्र नहीं रहेंगे तो हम लोगों को और इससे ज्यादा कठिनाई झेलना पड़ेगा. You can proceed to other student, Mangalam ji. Then after I can conclude all these points at the end. Thank you,
Yes,
Mangalam
thank
ji.
you, Suraj, for your wonderful point. You highlighted about the various point about what an individual, on the perspective of an individual, they have learned the lesson, what the governments have done during the pandemic. Yes, sure, we have to live healthier. Not only physically we should be healthier, but mentally we have to live fit. Both physically and mental fitness is required to cope up these types of pandemic, where millions of people lost his relatives, lost his kinships, and even lost his way of income. So in these types of pandemic, we have to not only physically fit, but also mentally we have to fit. So I think, Dheeraj, are you available? If you are available, then please go ahead with your opinion.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible and visible.
First of all, good afternoon to you all. Thank you for giving me opportunity to discuss on topic lessons for the world from COVID-19 pandemic. First and important is our climatic system. Nowadays, if we think about previous, just before 2 years ago, we seen that every year our crops get affected due to climatic problem. But nowadays rain is raining regularly, and another one is our immunity. COVID-19 also affect more peoples, those whose immunity is very low, just like who suffers from heart problems, like and suffering from diabetes. So we learned that our physical fitness and also mental fitness is more important for our immunity. If we are highly if we are physically fit, then our body can resist disease like mm, virus in virus which is spread in the form of COVID. And another one is online also will seen that in pandemic we can use very type of technique technology, just like e-learning and so many, like work from home. Now a day every students want to use a online education system because they can learn from anyone from anywhere, and also less expensive. Thank you, that's all from my side. Thank you for giving me.
Yes, thank you. There is for your opinion. Yes, of course. If we will physically and mentally fit, then we will less prone to that type of disease. If even disease will come, then we will not get severe ill. So, with this note, Suraj, would you like to speak something? You are muted. If you want to speak, then please go ahead with your opinion. Otherwise, we'll wrap the session. Please unmute yourself, Suraj. You are muted. Your voice is not audible.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes, now you are audible.
Yes, one more steps I would like to add, that is everyone is not treated equally during pandemic. We have seen that so many people of India are not equally treated by the government or by the people. First one, that is, so many people in India and in the world, there are so many people are categorized on three steps. First one, excellent level family, average level family, and good level family. So many people are under a good level family. They haven't much salary and more salary. We are not living. We are not eating good food during pandemic. During pandemic, number one, and number second, that is, we need to take mental health seriously. As you all students know that we have to healthy during the COVID-19 like situation, and before the COVID-19 situation, that सारे लोग अच्छे से मतलब नहीं भी रहता था, लेकिन अब ऐसा आ गया है समय कि हम लोग को हमेशा सीरियसली रहना पड़ेगा. That's all point from my side. Mangalam ji, you can
yes, thank you, Suraj. Since there is electricity issue at my end, so we have around 5 minutes left. In spite of that, I'm going to wrap the session for today's. If anybody still wants to speak something, then he is welcome. Otherwise, we will wrap the session. Vivek, do you have some points?
Hello.
Yes.
in pandemic time, all over world, all country present in the world start a medical medical ability is growing, because all country facing this problem on uh, medical condition is not very good of uh, all country. I in this time approx 7-8 vaccine is coming in the world, like as in India, two type of vaccine using firstly Covishield and secondly Covaxin. Covishield is made by Oxford University, and in our India, both are connect and then create new vaccine, Covishield, and main vaccine is Covaxin is the fully Indian vaccine. And all many countries like America is created Pfizer, and other country is created lots of AstraZeneca in America. So lots of approx 8-9 vaccine is created in this time, or spread all over world, and all over world are all over world are gaining or benefit to feel this vaccine, and in this time are very useful to teaching a student, and for the education, because all education offline is fully changed into online, or online is very beneficial to a student, because all a student know go to in the big city, just like a rural area, a student no go in the big city, but then they are in this time very beneficial to that student, and fee level is low, very fee level is very low at that time, because offline student have a maximum fee taken by the big coaching and institution, but in offline but online a student fee is very low. This is very beneficial to all students, and this is for all my side, all point of my side.
Yes, thank
Thank
you, Vivek, for your point. Yes, of course, online education is the place of this pandemic. If pandemic will not come, then probably we will not shift to the online education as much as present we are in the phase of online education. So we have only around 1 minute left. So I'm going to wrap the session. Yes, as the topic is what we have learned from this pandemic. So we should live simple, we should live healthy, we should live happy, so that if another type of pandemic will come, then we will cope such types of pandemic. So with this note, I am going to wrap the session. Tomorrow we will meet again at 12 p.m. with some new group discussion topic. The topic will be given in the chat WhatsApp group, and the recording link of this video will be sent in the WhatsApp group. So thank you for participating. Bye. Have a nice day.